Can you get up, Brody? Hey, cover those toes back up. Can you get up, Brody?
Yeah! I need some hug!
No, you're on your own. Somebody tickle his toes. That'll get him up. Tickle those toes. Tickle those toes.
Oh man, you're sandy.
What are you doing, Brody?
I captured a frog in this pool!
You captured a frog?
Yeah.
Hey, let's get him out of there and then let's dig this thing up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Putting him in the
What are we doing, Brody?
making a ginormous hole.
A ginormous hole. Let's do it.
We need to start getting down the side.
Let me go get that.
Go down the middle. I'm hopping in. Oh, it's almost as tall as me. There's two. Which one do you want?
Pick your poison.
Get all the mud.
This is good dirt to make like a barricade, like some sort of wall.
Oh right, it's all wet.
Yeah, it's like good.
Pack it in.
It's good movable dirt.
Ugh.
Should we make the Great Wall?
The Great Wall of China.
No, the Great Wall of McConaughy.
Yes.
We'll start today.
Are we digging a hole or making a wall? Which is more important right now?
The hole. The hole.
Yeah.
Right
Not
now.
well.
Right now it's the hole. But soon it's gonna be the wall. Get that picture, bro. You can get that picture of all their feet. Be a good one.
Alright, check it out. We got kids in the hole. Andrew's building a wall. The Great Wall of the hole. And we're at Lake McConaughy.
Ooh, there we go.
Don't let it fall in the hole.
Now we're getting something done. There we go.
You need to walk on the wall.
Yup, wall's a big project right now.
Yeah, we were asking earlier, which is the priority, the hole or the
The
wall?
hole is the priority.
Yeah, it's a big hole now.
But the hole makes
I will, bro. Give me a turn.
2 feet.
Oh my goodness.
Just collapsing.
Just about 2 feet. That's a lot, I guess. So that says half of me. Yeah, that is half. I think we're hurting the earth.
We're hurting the earth?
We're moving the
Explain
earth.
it to me. How does it work?
We're moving the earth.
If we